Okay, we're given a system of three equations with three variables. 2x plus z equals y plus 7, negative x minus z plus 2y equals 6, and negative 2z plus 2x minus 3y equals 9. I name them equations A, B, and C. We're asked to find the solution. We're going to use a funny kind of elimination method. I'll enumerate the steps for you. Step 1, we are going to get all of our equations in standard form. A times x plus b times y plus c times z equals d. So line everything up with the x's first, then the y's, and the z's, then line up the equal signs, and then line up the number on the right side. We get 2x minus y plus z equals 7 for equation A, negative x plus 2y minus z equals 6 for equation B, and 2x minus 3y minus 2z equals 9 for equation C. Step 2, we're going to combine any two of those equations with the intention being to eliminate the variable z. Now, you can choose any two equations. I'm going to choose, in order to eliminate z, I'm going to choose equation A and equation B. And to get rid of the z, all I'm going to need to do is add those two guys together. So 2x minus y plus z equals 7, added to parentheses negative x plus 2y minus z equals 6. I get x plus y, the z's cancel, equals 13. I love this equation so much, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to name this equation D, and I'll come back to it later. Now, I have this new equation D, and I go on to step 3. I am going to combine a different pair to eliminate the same variable z. Okay. We are going to combine a different pair of equations in order to eliminate the same variable z. So I'm going to combine A and C together instead of A and B. 2 times A plus C will eliminate the z. That gives me 4x minus 2y plus 2z equals 14. Add to that parenthesis 2x minus 3y minus 2z equals 9. You see how the z's are going to disappear? I'll get 6x minus 5y equals 23. I love this equation so much. I want to put a cloud around it, and I want to name it the equation E. So we have a cloud equation D and a cloud equation E. Step 4, we are going to form a new system. I call it a mini system with only 2 variables instead of 3. And we're going to use the equations in the cloud, D and E, and solve this system. We have x plus y equals 13. That's my equation D. And then 6x minus 5y equals 23. That's my equation E. Okay, let's solve for x and y. First, we'll eliminate y, and we'll do that with 5 times equation D plus equation E. So it's 5x plus 5y equals 65, added to parentheses 6x minus 5y equals 23. Add these together, the y's disappear. We get 11x equals 88. Divide both sides by the coefficient 11, and we get our x value equal to 8. Now we substitute x equals 8 into equation D to find the y partner. 8 plus y equals 13. Y is equal to 5. Okay, now we are going to find the last variable. Now look where we're at. We have x and we have y for our mini system, but that's the same x and y for the big system, the original system. So we're going to take that x and take that y, and we're going to find our last variable z by substituting the x and y into any equation in the original system. I chose equation A. So that means we have 2 times x, which is 8, minus 5, which is our y, plus our z is equal to 7. Okay, just solve for the only remaining variable, which is z. We've got 16 minus 5 plus z equals 7, and that means that z is equal to negative 4. So we found all 3 of our variables, and we conclude step 6. The ordered triple solution to this system is the ordered triple xyz is equal to 8, 5, negative 4.